Hello everyone, so today I'm bringing you some ideas for last minute DIY gifts. So the first gift are these trays that you can put your money or your jewelry in, and also these keychain decorations. You will need some clay that you can bake in the oven, and for that marble effect you will need to combine white and black clay, and you can make it by hand or you can mold it over as oven safe mug. Bake them according to the packet's directions, and then you can paint them over with some gold or silver paint. For the DIY notebook, you will need 45 pieces of paper. You will fold them in half and then divide them in 3 signatures. Then you will pierce each signature and put 2 staples by hand. The next step is to measure and cut a piece of vegan leather that will act as your cover, and then attach the 3 signatures with wire. For the DIY candles, you will need some bottles, old candles, cinnamon. If you can find these small golden pieces of wax, wicks and a hot glue gun. First, you need to melt the old candles over a double boiler. Meanwhile, you can glue the wicks on the bottles. And when your wax is melted, you can mix in the cinnamon and pour the liquid wax in the jar. As for the second candle, these little pieces of wax will automatically melt when you lit the candle wick. So that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and actually found it helpful. See you next time.